The California middle class tax refund, also being referred to in the media as the California Gas Rebate or the California Inflation Stimulus, has started to be sent out, with Californians receiving $200 to $1,050 worth of payments. Many are still wondering why they have not received theirs yet, so I want to share with you the information directly from the California Franchise Tax Board on why you may not have received this yet. First, you unfortunately may not be qualified. In order to receive this tax refund, you must be qualified based on your 2020 California state income tax return. If you didn't file a 2020 state income tax return, you do not qualify. Additionally, if you were claimed as someone else's dependent or you do not meet the income limitations, then you will not receive this. Second, you must have lived in California for at least 6 months out of the 2020 tax year, and you must still be currently living in California at the time that the payment is disbursed. Third, you may owe child or spousal support. While this won't be garnished for other reasons such as tax debt, credit card debt, etc., child or spousal support is one of the reasons why you may not receive this. Next, you may not have received this yet because payments have just started being disbursed, and the process will unfortunately continue through January 2023. The middle class tax refund direct deposit payments for Californians who received Golden State Stimulus 1 or 2 are expected to be issued to bank accounts between October 7th and October 25th. The remaining direct deposits will occur between October 28th and November 14th. For those who changed their banking information since filing their 2020 tax return, they will receive a debit card. Debit cards for this group will be mailed between December 17th and January 14th. All others who do not fall under one of the aforementioned categories will receive debit cards, and those are expected to be mailed between October 25th and December 10th. Debit card payments for Californians who receive Golden State Stimulus 1 and 2 are expected to be mailed between October 25th and December 10th. The remaining debit cards will be mailed by January 14th, 2023. The Franchise Tax Board provides this chart to show when you should expect your debit card to ship in the mail. Additionally, you may not have received this yet because of a mailing or posting delay. The Franchise Tax Board states that direct deposits typically occur within 3 to 5 business days from the issue date, but may vary depending on financial institution. Additionally, they state to allow up to 2 weeks from the issue date to receive your debit card by mail. Lastly, you may not have received this yet because you changed your bank account and your mailing address. If your bank account has changed since 2020 tax filing, the Franchise Tax Board will mail you a debit card. However, if they do not have your correct mailing address, they likely will not be able to forward this to you with USPS mail forwarding, since government mail often is rejected by mail forwarding. File a change of address with the Franchise Tax Board. If you already have an account online, then do this there. If not, this can be a bit of a lengthy process to create an account, so instead I recommend calling the Franchise Tax Board or submitting the change of address form via mail. Okay, you guys, I hope that was helpful in clarifying some of your confusion about why you have not yet received this payment.